Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Acura Classic. Before we get things started, I want to invite everyone to visit our website, acurahonaclassic.com, to pick up your favorite apparel and merchandise. Let's get right back to business. On the last episode, Brian went ahead to repair all the stone chips, scratches, and completely painted the entire front end on a TL Type S project, and it came out perfect. On this episode, we're supposed to work on the cosmetic exterior of the vehicle, including polishing it, replacing all the window trims, and also the door handle. Unfortunately, a lot of parts did not arrive. So at this point, we're gonna move forward and get into the interior and work on the headliner. And Brian's gonna show you guys how to repair the headliner without replacing it. Without further ado, I'll pass you guys to Brian.
Thanks, Mike. And yeah, the headliner in the back is really showing its wear. Up front, not as bad, but as you can see here, there's creases and it's kind of just hanging. So we got Gabe here today and he's gonna go ahead, he's gonna take everything out and it's gonna look like factory when it's all done. So let's go ahead and let's get started. All right, so here's the leather and it's all kind of lifted in this area, right?
Yeah, the liner is coming off here, so we're gonna clean this up.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that, it's all nasty. We're gonna clean it with some alcohol.
So that's the reason why it lifts, is because...
Yes, the heat dissolves the foam underneath. So,
yeah.
You know,
it's a lot worse than what I thought once you took it out.
Yeah. So don't worry, it's gonna be good when we're done.
All right, so now he's just gonna go ahead and brush off all that old foam and adhesive and get it all cleaned up. Now you're just using rubbing alcohol to get all the excess off, huh?
Yeah, all the excess off, because you need it really clean, really good. It needs to be prepped really good, so you want the glue to stick onto the board. Because if you don't do this process, it will never stick.
It'll never stick right.
It will never stick right. It'll come down within 6 months.
headlight came out really good.
It came out so good, and watching the video back, it almost seems like something I would want to attempt if I were to do it, you know, and just, you know, seems like a job that someone with a decent skill level can tackle.
Probably would take a normal person about 3 to 4 hours just to drop the headliner, but it appears
Yeah.
doesn't seem too hard to get the whole job done.
Yeah, if you could take apart some screws and some different panels inside, the real materials really are the fabric, which you can get, glue, and you could see he just used some alcohol and a brush. He cleaned it off. It didn't look too hard, you know. The only thing he did mention, Mike, is that he used some sort of industrial strength type of glue that is only available to someone that works in a fabrication or upholstery shop.
If any of you are new, what we need to get, comment below, let everybody know. We'll go ahead and put it in the description.
Yeah, you know, I know they sell the aerosol at Walmart or Home Depot, and they have the Super 3M, but that's just coming out of the aerosol. Perhaps something a little bit thicker that can come out of a paint gun. If you know, let us know so we can share that in the description like you said.
Well, this is all done. What are we doing next?
Well, like I said, we're going to be getting into the detail of the vehicle and the door handles coming up, and then we're also going to further that into all the black trims here. You know, we could refinish them, but it's got like some of them have a film, some of them have paint. We decided to go ahead and purchase brand new ones. The only one that we're not replacing is the front cowl, and we're going to show you guys how to use black trim paint to restore your OEM plastics back to factory condition.
Guys, a lot of you guys asking for it, and we're actually making a video just for you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to support us by hitting the like, subscribe, and share the videos with your friends and family.
Yeah, and they can also check out the website, www.acurahondaclassic.com. They can pick up the merchandise. They got a lot of different varieties. I even like the ones that we have for going out, like the casual style.
Yes, sir.
I wore it out to Japan Inn the other night. So,
But thanks again, guys. Hope to catch you guys on the next one.
I'll see you guys later.